Hello, this is our first video on this YouTube channel. We're going to first talk about the chain brake and how to use it. These are the specific tools that you need. First is the chain that you're using on your robot. Second is the chain breaker tool. Yours might not look like this, but it works the same way. And third is your Allen key. I'm using a 1/4 Allen key. You might need another size. In this step, we will first remove the link from the chain using the chain breaker tool. So first, place the chain on the left side of the chain breaker tool and make sure the chain pin is aligned with the tool. Inside the chain breaker, there's already a small pin. This pin will push against the pin in the chain link. So next, use a 1/4 inch Allen key. That's the Allen key that I'm using. You might need a different size. And turn the chain breaker bolt. As you turn the Allen key, the tool will begin pushing the chain pin out of the link. This may require some effort at first, but continue turning until the pin begins to move out of the chain. Once the pin is almost fully pushed out, you will notice that the Allen key starts turning much more easily. This shows that the pin has been released. Now unscrew the tool and remove the chain. As you can see, the chain link has separated from the rest of the chain and the pin has been pushed out. Make sure to keep the removed link and pin in a safe place. These parts can be reused later, which is especially important if you have a limited spare components. Now we will join two pieces of chain together. The same process can also be used to add one or more links to adjust the chain length. Before connecting the chain, look at the ends of each piece. Chain links come into two types, inside links and outside links. An inside link has rollers between two inner plates. An outside link has two outer plates with pins attached. You can refer to the diagrams showed on the video right now. To connect the chain correctly, the two ends must be different. One end should be an inside link and the other should be an outside link. Now place the chain into the right side of the chain breaker tool. Insert the pin back into the chain by placing it in the top slot of the tool. It may take some time to align the pin with the holes in the chain. This is normal. You can use the Allen key to gently adjust the chain and help guide the pin into position. Once the pin is aligned, slowly turn the Allen key to press the pin back into the chain. Turn slowly and watch carefully. Make sure the chain stays straight while the pin is going in. When finished, check that the pin is fully inside the chain and in the correct position. Now unscrew the tool and remove the chain. Now the two sections of the chain are connected. Check that the chain moves freely and the link is secure. The chain is now ready to be used on the robot.